This is Expert Village. I'm Yi Lin, and I'm a professional organizer. All right, so let's start with the countertop near the sink. This particular setup that we're looking at doesn't have a medicine cabinet, so it has more of a space challenge. But with a little bit of, with the help of a container, it solves a lot of the problems. What I did here was that I put the most commonly used items, such as the facial cleanser and toner and these miscellaneous items in a container. So everything's in one place, and it keeps the countertop more clean and neat. And also, when you want to wipe down your countertop, instead of removing 5 or 10 bottles of various items, all you have to do is just lift up one container and you're ready to go. And also, when you're organizing your countertop, you want to think about where to place your items. For example, if you are right-handed and you might use your right hand to brush your teeth, then you might want to set your tumbler to your left, because you're more likely to be using your left hand to hold the tumbler. So you might want to consider setting it on the left-hand side of the countertop. And then also you want to keep in mind with the principle of keeping like items with like. And for example, this is a male's bathroom, so we have the shaving cream right next to the electric shaver. So all of your shaving items are in one corner. And also, don't be afraid to be creative in choosing your containers. For example, I have the ceramic piece to be used as a container for cotton balls. And also, feel free to just add a little bit of a creative, decorative accent to your sink top. Here I have a little candle here. So that's it. That's how you can keep your countertop clean and organized.